Bruno, I want to talk about the master tub and what the proper maintenance is and how do we remove the drain. So can you just tell me here, it's a little bit different than the sink.
This one's very simple.
Okay.
Basically, you have to unscrew it. That's it. That's it.
And then it'll come right off. So hopefully it'll come right off. There we go. Once I've unscrewed it, we just sort of place it here. Then you pour the cleaning detergent.
What I would use before I use the Drano is this drain weasel. It'll pull out any of the hair or any debris that gets actually lodged in there first, and then the Drano will take care of all the rest. This one here was actually purchased at Home Depot, but any hardware store carries it.
How far do you have to go down with this? Do you just go like...
I would pretty much let it go all the way down.
Okay. Oh, wow. Okay.
And then just pull it out and you'll see it'll actually bring up hair.
Okay, so use this, clean it out, pull it out, and then pour the Drano.
That's correct.
Just really like that, but there's nothing glamorous about this.